Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your TD credit card step by step clearly. First, take your new TD credit card and make sure it is the correct card with your name on it. Next, find the activation sticker or instructions that came with the card, usually on the front or on the envelope. Then, locate the phone number or website listed specifically for activation on that sticker or paperwork. After that, turn the card over and look for the last 3 digits on the signature panel, because you may need them. Now, have your personal information ready, such as your date of birth and the zip or postal code on your account. If you want the fastest method, choose phone activation by calling the activation number from your mobile phone. When the automated system answers, select the option for credit card activation. Enter your 16-digit card number using the keypad when the system asks for it. Type the card's expiration date exactly as printed, including the month and year. Provide the requested security details, such as the last digits of your social security number or other verification. Listen carefully and confirm any prompts that ask you to approve activation. Wait for the message that says your card is now activated, and do not hang up before you hear confirmation. If you prefer to activate online, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Go to the official TD website shown on your activation instructions, and avoid clicking random links. Sign into your TD online banking account using your username and password. If you do not have online access yet, select the option to enroll and follow the on-screen registration steps. Once logged in, find the section called Credit Cards or Account Services. Look for a button or link that says Activate Card or Manage Card. Enter the required card details, such as the card number and security information. Then submit the form. Check for a confirmation screen or message that clearly states the activation is complete. For mobile activation, open the TD app and sign in with your credentials. Tap the menu and navigate to Cards, Card Management, or Account Services depending on your app version. Select your new credit card from the list and tap Activate or Set Up Card. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity and approve the activation request. After activation, sign the back of your card with permanent ink in the signature area. Set up or confirm your PIN if your card requires it, and store it somewhere safe that you can remember. Make a small test purchase or check your account online to confirm the card works properly. If activation fails or you see an error, call TD customer service using the number on the back of your card for help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.